In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Zoho Books subscription. If for any reason you've decided that Zoho Books is not the right fit for you, or you're simply looking to switch to another service, I'll guide you step by step through the process to make it as seamless as possible. Let's dive right in. First of all, you need to navigate to the Zoho Books website. Make sure you have a reliable internet connection, as we will be moving quickly through a few web pages. Open your web browser and head over to zoho.com/books, https www.zoho.com/books. This is the official site where you can manage all your Zoho Books account settings. Once you're on the Zoho Books homepage, look for the option to sign in. This is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign in button, which will take you to the login prompt. Here, you'll be required to log into your Zoho Books account by entering your email and password. If you've previously set up a Zoho account, simply input your login credentials. However, if you normally use Google to access Zoho Books, there's no need to worry. You have the option to sign in using your Google account details. This is a handy way to avoid the hassle of remembering yet another password. For those using the Google login method, simply click on Sign In using Google. You'll be directed to a Google sign-in page where you need to select your Google account email from the list, authorize access to Zoho Books, and in a few moments you'll be securely logged into your account. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Zoho Books dashboard. This is the main control panel where you can access all the different facets of your account. From here, the next step requires you to go to the Settings option. This is usually located in the lower part of the navigation pane on the left side of the screen. Click on Settings to proceed. After clicking Settings, you want to move to the Profile section. This is where you manage all your personal information related to your account. Click on Profile and you'll be led to a new page that lists various account details. In the Profile section, look for the option named Manage Subscription. Click on Manage Subscription to see all the details related to your current subscription plan. This section shows the specifics of your subscription, including the service tier, billing cycle, and other relevant details. Once inside the Manage Subscription area, it's time to cancel your existing subscription. This step requires you to click on the Cancel option next to your active subscription service. Zoho may prompt you to confirm your decision or even ask you to provide a reason for cancellation. It could be useful for them to enhance their service. However, if you're sure about cancelling, simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete this process. After cancellation, Zoho Books typically sends confirmation via email, so make sure to check your inbox for a message confirming that the cancellation has been processed. It's crucial to ensure that the subscription status in the account indicates cancelled to confirm that you're no longer being billed for the service. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through the process of cancelling your Zoho Books subscription. Remember, it's always good to make sure you have saved any data or important documents you might need before cancellation. If at any point you wish to resubscribe to Zoho Books, or if you have further questions, their customer support team is quite approachable and ready to assist. I hope you found this guide informative and helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to drop us a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.